Assalamu alaikum. My name is Asad Iqbal and welcome to my first YouTube video. In this video, I will explain about my AI quiz generator project. In this AI quiz generator project, I start by importing several powerful Python libraries. Flask is used to create the web application and manage user requests like uploading text and downloading quizzes. Flask caching improves performance by storing commonly used results in memory. The Transformers library gives access to advanced AI models. I use it to load pipelines for generating questions and answering them using models like T5 and RoBERTa. Sentence transformers is used to understand the meaning of sentences by turning them into embeddings, which helps compare and rank sentence similarity. NLTK provides tools for text processing such as breaking text into sentences and tagging parts of speech. I also use WordNet, a large dictionary of synonyms through NLTK. Word to number converts words like 10 in English to the number 10. And inflect is useful for converting singular words to plural and vice versa. I use random to shuffle or generate random choices. For handling PDF files, I use PyPDF2 to read PDFs, FPDF and Report Lab, and IO to create new downloadable PDF quizzes. And HTML.escape ensures that text displayed in the browser is safe and clean. So after that, Torch powers the deep learning models and runs them efficiently, especially if a GPU is available. Logging is used throughout the app to keep track of what is happening, which helps with debugging. I also use TempFile to handle temporary file creations. The app checks if Wikipedia library is available to pull facts when needed. After setting up the Flask app, I ensure all necessary NLTK resources are downloaded like Sentence Tokenizer, POS Tagger, and WordNet, like you saw these libraries here. So after all this, I initialize the question generation model using T5 base model and the question answering model using deep set RoBERTa base code 2 model. Here, if both of these models fails in question generation and answer generation and answering the questions, then it falls back to smaller models like T5 small and other model is base cased distilled squad. Finally, after all this, the mini LM model for semantic comparison of sentences is loaded via sentence transformer. This setup allows the app to intelligently generate and answer questions, making it a complete AI powered quiz creation tool.
Hello everyone, my name is Syedizul Hassan and we are explaining the AI quiz generators code. So here are some functions we have made to enhance our project. First function is clean question. So this function is used to clean and standardize the generated question text. So it also used to remove the punctuations. So next function is question unique. This function is used to make the unique questions, so it ensures that every question is different from others. Next function is generate distractors. This function creates multiple choice questions by generating the distractors. And the next function we have made is handle numeric answer. So this function is used to handle the numeric answers. When the answer is in numerical form and in the form of numbers, this function will be used. And the next is handle textual answer. When the answer of quiz or MCQ in the form of text, this function will handle the text and will give the correct answers. And next we have the get Wikipedia summary. So this function fetches the summary from Wikipedia based on the topic provided. It is cached for performance, so repeated requests don't hit Wikipedia again. So these are some functions we have made to enhance our project.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Basit and my roll number is 13. I will tell you about the Flask code we did in our project. Here we just initialize our Flask app application, and this all is the Python code. Below we initialize our directories URLs. This is the first app.root directory. Here we just render our template index.html. In the second URL, the method is post because the user will post some content and upload it. Thus, in this URL, we generate some data. The method is again post because the user will post some data in it. This all is the Python code, and in the next URL is the download PDF. If the user wants to upload a PDF file, it will go to this directory, and the method is again post because the user will upload a file, and this is the last. In this, the user will just it means that it will only run when we directly run it, and the debug is equal to false means it will not automatically debug the code when we do some changing in it. This was the Flask code of our project.
Hi, welcome to the AI Quiz Generator, a sleek modern web application that lets you create quiz using artificial intelligence. At the top, you will find a sticky navigation bar with smooth transition and a dark mode toggle for low light environment. And then you see the mobile application mobile menu. The layout is fully responsive. Here the mobile menu in action. Let's create a quiz first. Enter our topic or paste in a contact text. You can optionally upload a PDF or text file as your source material. Next, choose the difficulty easy, medium, and hard. And then you see the preview model. Clicking preview lets you see the question before finalizing. This model is scrollable and styled with a soft blur effect of focus. When satisfied, click confirm. And just like that, your quiz appears below. Each question is ready based on your topic, difficulty, and type. AI quiz generator is ideal for teacher learning creator who want fast, high quality quiz. Now we see the front end of the AI quiz generator CSS styles.css. This is my front-end UI project, modern CSS technique with interactive and responsive design element. Let's walk through the interface and highlight the features I have implemented. As the page loads, you notice a vibrant animated background using linear gradient that shifts smoothly using keyframes animation. This creates a dynamic and modern feel. At the top, the navigation bar features are decorative gradient underlined using after element given it unique visual identity. This is the card section. Each card element use a effective with backdrop, blur, and white or dark background depending on the theme. Hovering on a card smoothly lift it and enhance the shadow inducting attractively. Dark mode support. This design supports both light and dark theme. In dark mode, all text and components automatically adopt their color to maintain and readability. Here is style alter component with a close button. It uses semi-transparent read background with blur and custom. However, straight in dark mode, the design adopt to deep read tone with light text. For validation style from input show real-time validation feedback using color-coded border and shadow. Valid input glow green while invalid ones glow red. On focus input highlights in purple for better visibility. Finally, the scroll bar is customized for both light and dark modes using colors and however effect to match the overall theme. This concludes my UI design. The design focus on clean layout, accessibility, and responsive behavior. Thank you for watching.
And if you want the source code, you can easily get it from this URL. I will give this URL in the description. You can easily just click on this and easily get the source code. And also it is live at this URL, asadikbal76.pythonanywhere.com. I will give this link as well in the description. Here you can easily choose the topic of your choice and easily can generate quiz of any kind. Thank you so much for watching this video.